Hey YouTube, so this is my Planet Eclipse lv1.5. Have a couple updates from last video. Last video I didn't have these grips. These are lv1 grips on a 1.5. Didn't have this tank. I just got it. It's a 77 Ninja SL2 with the Pro V2 regulator. You already know. I'm surprised how light this tank is for the size it is. I do like how it feels on my shoulder where I'm like snapping. It does feel very nice. Let me put it a little more straight. I'm supposed to be. Bam. So what I did over here, and I like how it feels. You know, I like how it feels. They feel nice, and I guess it's a two-piece. It feels more firm, but look, it doesn't really flush out right there, but that doesn't even, you can't even feel that. I mean, it feels perfect. Like, look at the bottom, it's so like stiff. That's what I like about it. Other than that, look, let me see that. Bam. Let me see. So I did have to customize them to fit. I don't know why Planet Eclipse did not make lv1.5 grips. The LPR is bigger on these guns, on the 1.5s. Being said, I don't know why they didn't come out with grips, if they knew they were gonna come out with this gun. But in other words, it's fine. I customized it. If you can see, I mean, it's alright, it's good. So I had to, pretty much what you gotta do, I bought a grip. I found these grips actually in my local paintball shop, and I'm glad I did, bro. The paintball store that I've been going since I was a kid in 2004. I stopped playing and I got back to it, and I walk in, I'm like, you know what, let me see those grips, and he had them, man. So he had 4 pairs. He had an orange pair, a green, a red, and a camel earth pair. I sold the camel earth and the green pair already. Now I have only the orange ones, and well, the stock ones I took out, and the red pair I'm using on this gun, my baby. So but what I had to do, see how his parts flush, I had to pretty much do the same thing, continue that flushness all the way down till the back of it. This back has to stay there. You just gotta take out that little round thing popping out and flush that out with a die grinder or whatever kind of tool you know that cuts good, plastic, and pretty much flush it out. So right there, then you flush all that out. You could guide yourself with the stock lv1.5. Just compare it to that. You know, you see how that's just how it is. See the back, it's flat. So yeah, just compare it to this and guide yourself by that. You know, guide yourself by both of them. It's better. I mean, bro, look at that. Black grips, come on. Red all day, and that doesn't even bother you, bro. It does not bother at all. But like I said, man, I love how the gun came out. Love my tank. I had an ultralight Empire. As you can see in other videos, I have my old setup posted. The gun is light. I'm gonna be doing more videos. I actually got a little surprise for you guys. I picked up an LVR Gunslinger, local here in Miami, Florida. I'm glad. If you guys seen my other videos, I was talking about a discussion of how me and the guy were going back and forth. We weren't agreeing on the price. He didn't really want to get rid of it. I was like, I understand. It's a LVR Gunslinger, 1 out of 10. But so yeah, so I'm gonna be doing also a weight comparison of 1.5 towards LVR, seeing what really is the difference and which one is lighter. The 1.5 is the last Planet Eclipse LV that's out right now, actually in 2019. It's February 2019, the 8th, Friday. So hopefully, I mean, there's no word on the street of LV2. I mean, I don't know if Planet Eclipse is still trying to go out there. The new Reaper GS6R Bob Long came out. That's a poppet like this, so they're gonna be out there. I really want to see how that gun is shooting. They look like old school guns, how they used to come back out in 2012s, 2010s. But it might be light, you know. I mean, it looks heavy, the G6R. So we're gonna see. But this, bro, this is I love my setup. It's just like it's good. It's good. It's everything is good on it. And this is a little sneak peek I had for you guys. You'll be seeing this in my other videos. So hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to see this LVR Gunslinger. Oh, the LVR Gunslinger. This is number 8 out of the 10 that came out. I believe this gun came out back in 2016. My phone. Well, 2016. But yeah, you'll be seeing that pretty soon. Thanks, guys, for watching.